Crafty Yarn Owl. It is November 15th. It's my birthday. Today we're starting the 12 days of my birthday from November 15th to November 26th. The 26th would have been my mom's birthday. There's a video linked below that explains how this giveaway works, and also the rules will be under that video. Let's get started. Okay, I have 4 balls of yarn here that will be in the giveaway. It's the True Boo 100% rayon from Bamboo. It's a Lion brand. It's a lightweight 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 220 meters, 241 yards. Machine wash, cool, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. And this colorway is Scarlet. It looks quite orangey to me. So there are 4. I did start making something with this one. So it's wrapped up like this. I hope you don't mind. But there you go. 4 of them will be in the giveaway. Alrighty, and I do have a tutorial for this. Isn't that pretty? I'll link that tutorial up here or below. We have a word of the day, and the word of the day is fartlek, spelled F-A-R-T-L-E-K. Now, it'll be written on the screen, and this is brought to us by Discerning Dilemmas. Thank you so much for the word. So use it in a sentence, make up a sentence. That's what I would prefer. You know, just take a look at the word. What do you think it means? And make up a sentence using that word. Or you can use the real meaning. But it's more fun when you make up a meaning. So that's day 1 of 12. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.